Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play MudaE Discord. To begin your MudaE journey, you'll first need to invite the bot to your Discord server. Once MudaE is in your server, you can start rolling for characters using simple commands. The core of the game involves claiming your favorite anime and manga characters, building a powerful collection, and engaging with other players. It's a fun and engaging way to interact with your community and show off your unique collection. The heart of MudaE lies in rolling and claiming characters. You can use commands like $wa for waifus or $ha for husbandos to reveal new characters. Each player gets a set number of rolls within a specific time frame, often around 10 rolls every hour. When a character appears that you want, quickly claim them using the $claim command or by reacting with the designated emoji. Collecting Kakara, the in-game currency, is also vital for enhancing your gameplay experience. Kakara is your primary resource for progression in MudaE. You earn it by claiming characters, reacting to others' roles, and through various daily bonuses. Spending your Kakara wisely is crucial. You can upgrade your Kakara rank to increase your daily roll count and improve the quality of characters that appear. Investing in Kakara loot will also boost the amount of Kakara you gain from each interaction. Smart Kakara management will significantly enhance your collection over time. To truly master MudaE, consider some advanced strategies. Joining an active MudaE server can significantly boost your Kakara income and open up trading possibilities. Make sure to use the $wish command to create a wish list of your desired characters, increasing their spawn rate. Learning character values is essential for successful trading. Also, participate in server events and challenges. They often offer valuable bonus rewards and unique items to further enhance your collection and gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.